Hard work doesn't guarantee money. Some of the hardest working people I know are still stuck at the same income for years. And some average skilled people, they scale calmly. The difference isn't effort, my friend. It's how they relate to money decisions. If money makes you tense, you'll delay, you'll underprice, or you'll play absolutely safe. That's exactly what I fix in my 3-day one on one WhatsApp program, Money to Scale Alignment Method. It's not motivation, it's not manifestation, just fixing what silently blocks scale. Hard work is not equal to scale. Money response matters. Comment scale or DM me. I'll see you in the WhatsApp class. Thank you.